and presents on the tree. Christmas Eve will find me where the love light gleams. I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dreams. I'll be home for Christmas. You can plan on we'll have snow and mistletoe and presents on the tree. Christmas Eve will find where the love.
Hi! What happened outside last night?
Wait. I just remembered I put something in the oven.
Yeah.
Forgot.
It's still there. Is it snow? Just started to. Why not? Oh.
In my
Paper. Scrap paper.
Watch out. Andrew, go watch Mama.
Where'd it come from?
Honey.
You made it?
How much is it left?
Put him.
Oh, Leah. That put
Do it one more time, no trouble.
gorgeous.
Turn around, let's see it.
Everybody.
John,
Ooh, pretty.
where'd you get the sand dollars?
Some are from Mozambique, some are from South Carolina. Wherever Greg and Jen went on their
Oh.
Honeymoon shell.
Now you get it. Put the message of the
And that was
$7.
Mom's idea when she said something for me to do. So I thought it'd be a cool gift for you.
Neat.
That's a good
Are they
idea.
glued on there or what?
Yeah.
The
Hot glue.
Do
little
that
shell-
velvet?
Yeah. So,
It's like butterfly shells.
yeah, some of them, I thought these looked like butterflies. That one looked like a star. These two I thought, so I put them up like in the sky.
Originally, she was trying to do a flower, but it
Yeah.
didn't really look like a flower. So
Beautiful. I put made by God, put together by Leah. You can't really see it that much. You wrote on pen? That didn't show up.
We'll get that.
Disappearing
I
ink.
got a silver.
Yeah, get the all the names of Christ. Yeah, that's your frame, Grandma.
Cheese. 1, 2, 3, cheese.
I'm matting. I see.
From your mom and dad.
I want especially
It needs glass too to protect that.
yeah, you need the glass.
What is it?
From mom and dad.
Okay.
What kind of a dinosaur is this?
That's what's the name I said earlier?
Ninja Turtle.
It's a
No,
Pachyosaurus, isn't it?
Mutant.
no, it's Pachycephalosaurus.
I thought you were joking.
Pachycephalosaurus. No, I'm not joking.
You sure it's not a mutantosaurus?
Mickey. What are they?
You're missing.
Baby.
You're missing
You're
one.
missing Daniel. We couldn't find him anywhere.
We'll be looking for him.
Oh, look.
And the birthstone?
And it's her birthstones in there for his child.
Your little stone figures.
That's Josh.
Oh, aren't they
But we can order Daniel. We'll order Daniel.
lucky?
Mom,
I was wanting this.
that's why I had to distract you.
But you got it there?
No, these are real.
Andrew, I think that's
These
for
are real
Leah.
gold.
Oh, wow.
So. Then if we ever have a girl, somebody. Leah.
You guys
Never
have
have a
to,
girl.
everybody has to add their own
Birthstone
birthstone on from now. Andrew. How old is Grandma?
Can I see?
No, sit down.
15.
15?
15.
15. Wow.
52.
Oh,
Wow.
52. Wow, she's young. I thought she was 30. So, Mommy, what'd you do on your birthday?
Today. Well,
Fun.
Sounds
birthday.
exciting.
I had this wonderful breakfast with oats and bananas made by my daughter Nisha. And I barely got it in before I had to stop eating or drinking so I could go have CAT scans. And I went there and I tried to be a blessing to
They're
a
looking for
lady.
cats to buy.
Yeah.
We're scanning the area for cats.
And they got me out of there right when I wanted to, 4 o'clock, and we headed back this way. Got to sew on the wedding dress a little bit, not a very little bit, but still. And did cross stitch in the car, and we talked, Jacob and I, and then we made it to the restaurant for supper with David. David came over and surprised us totally. That was fun.
I knew it. I know my brother.
And
And actually, I just thought, like, 20 minutes before, I bet David's going to be here soon. But then I got busy and forgot.
Yeah.
So he did surprise me, really. And then?
And then we had a lovely supper at Applebee's. Very big. This big.
No wonder people are so fat here in this country, eh?
You know why?
Yeah.
Oh, I love this country. This is a very good country.
And I got nice emails to read, and I got
There's more to read.
really, and I got presents and cards, and actually this was my second
You don't
birthday
trust
party
me?
because I had one a week and a half ago with celebrating with Aunt Carol, and that was really fun. And I didn't have a cake that night. We had pumpkin pie.
Oh man, it was too much.
But tonight we each had our. I wish we
Real life.
could have taken a picture of that. We each had our own little cake and our own candle, and that
Where?
was fun.
Josh hasn't finished his. Let me see your cake, Josh.
Own little cake and all. It was pretty. with the
Andrew's
candle.
taking. There you go, Andrew.
Stick a candle in and show everybody what it looked like. Whee!
There, we sang happy birthday, and everybody got to blow out their own candle.